So in week 6, no, this is week, congratulations, almost there. So in this week 7, oh, you're broken hearted. I don't want it to end. I don't want it to end 3 weeks from now. I want it to end now. Just kidding. Well, so what you should have by now is the ability to create posts. Did you all get that done? So this is, my text status, okay? And then you can post. You see how the page reloaded again. It submits to the browser, etc. Right? Now, one more thing I'm doing is, what if I can post a picture, and some of you can try this. It's optional, but I'm posting an image, right? And then you can style it like the way I style here. So I can style, my picture here like this, and post. And it's taking a little long because it's posting to Amazon. So this is the picture of my past, and I just want, I hope it's okay. You don't mind me sharing. Now you can. What is next that we built? Liking, right? And you guys know that if we just implement it, just like posting regularly, linking or posting, it will just look awkward. It just jump like, right? I want the experience of liking something to just stay there. Do you guys see it? So yesterday, on Friday, I showed how to turn this green and back to black. That is using the isLiked class name, and you style it, right? Do you guys see that I also display something like this? So it's a little more complicated. Did anyone try to do this? Did you get it done? It's harder, right? Much harder. So I will show you that today. So this is one of the features we should improve today. So click here, you see that? And this will happen often, right? Now next, for example, commenting, right? So right now in this interface, when you click here, I just call JavaScript to say, hey, jump into this text box. You could do something similar. Now here, if I press commenting in the same experience, if I enter like, hey man, didn't know you're so ugly, right? And you press enter to submit. Now what happens in your code? The page jumps again. But if you use Ajax, it will just appears immediately, right? So that is nice. Wow. I see my comment right away, right? That is nice. Now you can also like something. Oh, sweet. And then unlike it. So the whole thing is Ajax, but it requires a good understanding, and it will require some guidance. But if you are all able to understand this part, it will make you pretty good. Yeah, so that's our focus. Another one is that as you have a lot of posts, do you guys see? We are going to, have to implement something that only load the first 10 posts. And when you scroll down to the bottom, it'll load another 10 posts. Because when you have 1,000 posts here, your page will take forever to load. And it will be very slow. And when you go into this terminal right here, when you load that, imagine you load this reload page, you see how many posts there are? There's a lot, right? This is just a lot to load from the database. Okay, so that's our objective for today. Ajax, a more complicated liking, Ajax commenting, Ajax liking something that just been Ajaxed. And pagination, so let's say you can display this in different pages. So this is the first page of 10 posts. When you scroll to the bottom, JavaScript will load another 10 posts, and then 10 posts, 10 posts, right? Anything else we would like to improve? Did anyone try the Slack feature? We have Fu, we have Oscar, Ian as well. We have a channel. So you see that with Slack, you saw my example yesterday, right? For example here, I just post that image, right? It will show up right away. So Slack notification can be really awesome. So I will get a picture of Ian and Quý, okay? Post them. Ian, Quý, and Sine. All right. So technically, if you use Slack, this is nicer than email because it's immediate, right? You don't have to worry. Oh, did my email, go through yet? Okay, and it's just a few lines of code. So if you haven't done that, you have the opportunity to also try that. But let's all work together today. First, review your homework. Make sure that we understand what we're doing. Fix any problem you want to fix. I want you to be able to tell your friend or tell me that I want to do this, but it's still not working. It's similar to Loy's questions yesterday. I want to upload the photo. It's not working, but it's very clear what the question was. And that's why we can fix it. Okay, so I'm going to start reviewing homework now. Who volunteers to be reviewed first?